Hello, I'm John Burke, and I'm a student in EDP 636. I'm going to show you a Padlet I created for the class, which focuses on Universal Design for Learning, or UDL. Before we go into the Padlet, let me tell you a bit about UDL. Briefly, UDL is an approach to learning in which the largest number of students can take part in it, regardless of their abilities, life stage, or other characteristics. Every student will have a path to learning that works for them. The three principles of UDL are to provide 1. Multiple means of engagement for students, or ways for students to collaborate and interact. 2. Multiple means of representation, or ways for students to understand information and experiences. And 3. Multiple means of action and expression, or ways for students to demonstrate their learning. UDL and these principles should be a part of the design process for any course, module, or assignment so that every student can take part in learning fully. Learners should be able to take in the information provided through various means and interactions, and also be able to create products that show their learning. If that is true for a given situation, then the mission of using UDL has been fulfilled. Now on to the Padlet. I have placed 10 introductory resources for UDL on the Padlet, mainly from a higher education perspective, in 3 categories. The first is Understanding UDL, and includes resources that give overviews of UDL along with more in-depth explanations of its principles and concepts. It includes 2 documents on UDL in higher education, and 1 article about some early participants in the development of UDL. The second is Applying UDL. This category includes a document with sample methods for applying UDL in higher education, 2 documents that approach UDL in online course design, and 1 document that includes 2 case studies of applying UDL in college courses. The third category is UDL in libraries. As a librarian, I am interested in applying UDL to my daily work environment, and I hope these resources might help others too. It includes an overview of UDL in the library environment, an article on UDL in library tutorial design, and a toolkit of resources for working with UDL in library instruction. I hope you enjoy using the Padlet and learning about UDL.